When it comes to dealing with COVID-19 in a restaurant or hotel, there are three things you want to keep in mind. First, know what you're dealing with. COVID-19 is part of a family of viruses called coronaviruses. In the media, you've undoubtedly seen a picture of the coronavirus or a COVID-19 virus that has spikes all over it. Those spikes look like a crown or a corona, hence the name. COVID-19 is a lipid virus, or commonly referred to as an envelope virus. It's called that because it's enveloped in a sheath of fatty lipid protein. Now, that's good because lipid viruses are relatively easy to inactivate. You don't kill a virus because it's not alive, you inactivate it. Things such as alcohol-based hand sanitizer, disinfectants, and just plain soap and water can inactivate the viruses. So washing your hands is one of the most important things you can do. When you are talking about disinfection, understand that disinfect and sanitize mean completely different things. If someone sanitizes a surface, all they've done is make it safe for the humans to touch. They've made no claims that they've inactivated all of the bacteria or fungus or viruses on the surface. But if they disinfect a surface, there is a claim associated with that. Disinfectants are registered with the EPA, and when you apply a disinfectant to a surface, you're making a claim that you're inactivating or killing biological material. And that's the final thing. When you're going to use a disinfectant, make sure that you use it properly. Proper use of a disinfectant means that you need to clean the surface first with just a plain cleaner and then disinfect. This should be a two-step process. Clean with a good detergent and then disinfect the surface. Remember, know what you're dealing with, know your terminology, and know the process. And you'll be ready to deal with COVID-19 in your hotel or restaurant.